What up? It's your boy Uncle Mot. We're out here on this beautiful Saturday's morning, and we're gonna have a fishing competition between me, the obvious winner, and Hannah, who generally catches more fish than me. Yeah. So, fingers crossed, this goes well.
I had a blood test this morning, so when I catch a really big fish, you'll have to lift it out of the water for me.
Okay, sure. That'll work. Okay, so today we got bait versus this fella. I reckon Hannah's gonna absolutely swamp me because I don't know how to fish. But give it a red hot crack, eh? Really smells like piss here, huh? Yeah, under the bridge, not exactly the most glamorous location. Got a bite. Where's the fish to go with it? Run. I'm pretty sure fish run. That's it. That's the cast. You watch. Mine.
A lot of young people smoke weed.
This does seem like somewhere you'd come to smoke weed on your pea plates. You're right. We'll have to remember that for when you get your pea plates. Do you want to move spots? But this thing sucks. Like, this sucks.
Well, you said it was good.
Yeah, well, it looks good. Lures catch more fishermen than they do fish. Bye. So we're at spot 2. Still no fish. Fishing still sucks. Yeah, me too. That's why I took up spear fishing. Lures still nil. Bait still nil. So we'll see how we go. It's an open game. Nil all at half time. Bait's got the ball. I reckon I'm about 3 casts away from giving up on lures. No, just on lures. What do you got? Oh, okay. The seaweed wins again, I guess. Are you snagged there?
I'm snagged on land.
Oh my god. So look, fishing, difficult. Actually difficult, didn't know that. I'm normally just such a good fisherman that I like throw a line in and fish throw themselves at me. Fish fear me, women want me. If there's any fishing brands out there watching this, sponsor me so that I can get good. Very charismatic, what I lack for in talent. But how about the Newey skyline? Go the Knights. So, but I'd like to point out on this last cast that the leaderboard from last week, I'm still on 1 brim.
Your baby brim.
It still counts.
How far back does this go? Because I definitely am winning that huge fish that I caught in Flathead that you threw back in the water out of spite.
I didn't throw it back in spite, it flopped into the water. It's a very floppy fish. Okay, lures suck. Fishing sucks. Bait sucks. Fishing sucks. Spearfishing is superior in every way, shape or form. Look, I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. Fishing, not the biggest success. Frankly, I didn't get a single bite. Hannah got a few bites, but you know where there is heaps of bites? The fish market. Yeah, where fish live. For our fish of the day, we've got flathead. Cut that into cutlets, and you'll get ready for the show. Here in Uncle Mot's kitchen, we don't like to follow any recipe, so we just do this off the cuff. Today, we're going to make a tomato and turmeric curry, so just follow along and read the recipe in the description. As with all Uncle Mot's kitchen recipes, this one will contain a lot of garlic and a lot of ginger, so just tune along. You don't have to use it all, but I recommend it just for the flavour profile. So chop your 5 centimeters of ginger to a fine brunoise. That should be enough for the curry, I reckon. Don't forget to smash your garlic cloves and leave them before you chop them to develop allicin, which is the chemical compound that gives them all that delicious flavour. Now, this is just a plain green chilli. You can add something a bit hotter if you want, but I was just after the flavour profile, not the heat. Cut it nice and fine. Now this one might throw you. Chucking rosemary into a curry. I know it sounds weird, but just trust me on this one. Uncle Mot knows things. So grab your blanched tomatoes. You should have left them in the water for about a minute, just till the peels start to come off. Don't leave them any longer or they'll get a bit gritty and odd. So frying here is my favourite North African curry mix. This has just got chili powder, paprika, salt, ginger, onion, cardamom, coriander, nutmeg, garlic, cloves, cinnamon, allspice, and fenugreek. As with any good recipe, fry your onions in butter. It makes everything so much better. But this one's even better because it's spiced butter. Assemble your curry. Add garlic, ginger, chilies, rosemary, turmeric, which is essential for this recipe. So it's at this exact moment where I just added the tomatoes that I realised, shit, you didn't buy any tomato paste. That's the crucial part of this recipe. So from here on out, it's not going to look like yours will, but don't forget, add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Please, don't ruin yours like I did. Now, you'll just want to tuck your flathead cutlets into this delicious curry sauce. Give them a kiss, wave them goodbye, and put the lid on for about 10 minutes while they cook. There you have it. You've got Uncle Mot's famous North African fish curry. Amazing, I know. Make it, send me the photos, tag me in it, whatever you need to do. Just get it done. I've been Uncle Mot as always. See yous out there. What up, Noodle Gang? It's your boy Uncle Mot here, and frankly, I am buzzed to be making videos more often now. I had some issues with my old laptop, but I got hold of a new one. Now, before Corona hit, I had made myself a Patreon that I'd planned to post. Now I'm going to add that to the link, and if you can find it in your heart to add even a couple of dollars a month, I would love that, as it would make this process so much easier. Drop down some suggestions below, and we'll get to that when I can. Peace!